Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our mission today, my dear student, it is make a revision for 2.4, solve equation with both sides or with variable in the both sides. Okay, are you ready, my boys? Let us start. If you have this equation, for example, we have, 7m minus 2 equal 3m plus 4. Okay, let us start. How we can solve it? We determine the left side and the right side, and as you see, we have variable in the both side here. Yes, I have variable here and have variable here, so we have to move the small variable, which is 3m, to the left side or the yellow side. And my dear student knows that if I move any variable from side to side, I have to change its sign. It is positive 3m. When I move it, it will be negative 3m. So 7m negative 3m, it equal 4m. Okay, I'm done from this and this. What left in the left side, my dear student? What left? Yes, negative 2 coming down equal what left in the right side, as you see? Yes, it is plus 4, so I write 4 here. Okay, my dear student? Okay, now we reach here. Left side or right side and left side, and you know what you have to do here. Plus 2 plus 2. Now I eliminate this together, and 4 plus 2 equal 6. Then I will divide by 4, and I will erase this. Now actually I have a fraction with the big head. Yes, a fraction with big head, it is improper fraction. And what is our technique to convert it to mixed number? We ask how many 4 in 6. Actually it is 1, and I draw this line, the 4 coming down here. Yes, I move this here and multiply 4 by 2 equal 4 by 1 equal 4, plus how many steps I need to reach the 6? Actually 2. So the answer 1 and 4, 2 over 4. And actually 2 over 4 here, it is 2 over 4, I can write it as, 1 over 2. If you ask me why, because if you have up and down, for example, like this one, if you know that the number up is half the 4, so actually I write it 1 over 2. It is in general, teacher, yes. If you have half the 10, the half of 10 is 5, see, I can write it 1 over 2 also. Okay, doesn't matter. So this is the answer. Okay, let us take another example. If we make it little bit harder, for example, if I have sorry for my crazy device, if I have 2 plus 3m equal 6m negative 5. Okay, let me erase this. Negative 5 plus 4m. If we have like this one, what we have to do? The first step, we determine the left side. The left side, it is here, and the right side is here. Actually, in the left side and the right side, I have letters. Good. So what, teacher? Okay, so you have to collect the variables or the letters in one side. Great. So someone go to the next side. Yes? Okay. But here before we move from side to side, we have to check if we have any combine or any like terms. Actually, this and this like terms in the same side, so we have to combine them before we move them. Okay, let's go. 6m and 4m, it is 10m. So here I have 10m negative 5 equal 2 plus 3m. Okay, so this is the left and this is the right. Now we have to put the variables or the letters in the same side. Actually, I will move this guy here to this side. But if I move it, as you know, we have to change its sign. It will be negative. So in the left side, I have only 2. But in the right side, I have to combine this together. 10 negative 3m equal 7m. And what else? Yes, negative 5. Don't forget it. We're done from this. Now I have a left side and the right side. Okay, ignore this, so you have to add 5 at the first step and plus 5. Okay, my dear student, so this is the first step. Now this eliminate this, and 2 plus 7 equal 2 plus 5 equals 7. Yes. Now the last step, we divide by the coefficient. Divide 7 divided 7, 1. We done. So m equal 1. Okay, one more question. Okay, now if I have a parentheses question, for example, 2, 3, m negative 2 equal 4 m plus 2, like this one. As you know, we have to break the parentheses, my dear students. So this 2 must visit this guy and this guy, and visit mean multiply. Okay, let's go. 2 multiply 3m equals 6m. Great, we're done from this. Now 2 multiply negative 2 equal negative 4. Bravo, you are great. So we're done from this. Now we go to the other side, and this guy must visit this guy and this guy. Let's go. 4m, we done from m, and now we move to multiply this by this, and this is equal what? 8. Multiply, remember, it is positive 8 or negative 8? Positive 8, so you have to write positive 8 like this one. Okay, let us continue. We know this, teacher. You know my crazy device. Now we know this, teacher. We have to move this guy, the 4m, from this side to this side and change its sign. It will be negative. Yes, yes. And 6m negative 4m, it is 2m. We done. And the negative 2 coming down, negative 4, sorry, coming down, equal 8. What next? We ignore this and this, so we have to add 4 in both sides. Ignore for a while, remember this, not eliminate or cancel or cross. We do this just to make you, to ensure you know what you have to do. Okay, now this eliminated, and this will be 12. It is my crazy device, don't worry. Now 8 plus 4 equal 12. Okay, 12. So it is 2m equal 12. What is the last step? Yes, divide by 2. Divide by 2. The 2 eliminated. 2. 12 by, divide by 2 equal 6. We done. Okay, one more question for you. I will give you a good question, harder a little bit, but it is easy if you apply what you learn, my dear students. Okay, let us start. Suppose we have like this one: 8m negative 3 multiplied by 2m negative 2. This is the left side. What's about the right side? Equal 5 or 2 multiplied by m negative 2. Oh my god, it's very long, yes? But step by step we will reach, yes? Are you ready? What is the first step? Yes, I know. Determine the left side and the right side. I know this step. This is default step. Okay, what's next? Sure. Yes, you are right. Break the parentheses. I'll break from the right. Now the 2 multiply m equal 2m, and 2 multiply negative 2 equal negative 4. We done from this. And this is the new left or right side. This is the new right side. Now what's about this guy? Actually here we have to break this parentheses. Yes, but the most common mistake here, when you break the parentheses, you multiply by 3 like this: 6m negative 6. And this is a mistake because actually it is not 3, it is negative 3. So it will be negative 3 multiplied to m negative 6, and negative 3 multiply, sorry for that, and negative 3 multiplied by negative 2 equal positive 6. Okay, are you happy now? I hope so. What about the 8m, teacher? Drop it. You see, it is beautiful now, and this will be the left side. Are you happy? I hope so. Now, in both sides we have m, but in the left side I have like terms. I can combine them, as you see here, 8m with the negative 6m. It will be 2m, and I drop the positive 6 equal 2m negative 4. My dear students, my advice to you is do in one step one thing. Don't be in hurry, okay? In each step do one thing, okay? Even if you know, but you have to follow the rules. Now, actually, I have 2m here and 2m here, and they are the same. In this case, just eliminate them directly without thinking and see what you got here. You got positive 6 in the left and negative 4 in the right, and this means there is no solution for this equation. And the meaning of no solution for this equation, that means you cannot find any variable or any value of m that make the equation true. Okay, my dear student? Okay. So let us take one more example and we finish. So if we have, for example, 5m plus 3 equal 1 over 2 4m plus 8. How we can deal with this? Yes, I know you will say the left side and the right side. We know this. What is next? Yes, great. Breaking parentheses in the right side, in the blue side. So, how we break the parentheses? I multiply the 1 over 2 by 4m. Yes, and I told you how to multiply 1 over 2 multiply by 4. Actually, you multiply the 4 by the 1, so it is 4 over 2 m plus 8 over 2 as we learned before. Yes, but teacher, 4 over 2 it is 2. Yes, good my boy, you can write it 2. And 8 over 2 means 8 divided 2 also, and this equal 4. Great boy. Let me write it 4 equal 3 plus 5m. So teacher, now it will be easy. Yes, now as you know, we move this guy from the blue side to where? To the yellow side. Yes, so when I move it, teacher, I will change the sign. I will never forget that. Good boy. Okay, what happened to the yellow side here? 5m negative 2m, it is 3m, teacher. Good. What else? Plus 3. Great. Equal 4. Yes, this is the yellow or the blue side, and this is the yellow side, and it is two steps equation, and you know how to solve it. Negative 3, negative 3. Okay, this will be eliminated, and 4 negative 3 equal 1 from here. Yes, and what is the last step? Yes, divide by 3, divide by 3. So m equal 1 over 3, teacher. Yes, m equal 1 over 3, and you're done. I hope you got all the benefits in this revision, fast revision. See you tomorrow, and good luck, my dear students. Goodbye.